Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I have just landed in Hong Kong and I haven't slept at all after a night flight. And instead of going to the bed like a normal human being, I'm going straight to Disneyland. And you know what happened with
Little
us?
story, we booked a bus from our hotel to Disneyland. Cost us around 25 Hong Kong dollar. Super cheap, right? Super easy. So we thought everyone on this bus is obviously going to Disneyland. Makes sense, right?
Wrong, very wrong. You know what?
The bus actually reached Disneyland. We know this because we were literally clicking pictures from inside the bus. Even the driver announced something in Chinese, basically saying this is Disneyland. If you want to get down, you can. But we didn't understand Chinese, and instead of using common sense, we used group mentality. So, three of us saying each other, everyone got on together, so we will get down together only. Nobody got down, and neither we did. A few minutes later, we asked a person. That's when it hit us. We had already reached Disneyland and we had left it behind. Thankfully, this really kind man helped us. He explained how to go back using the metro step by step because clearly we needed adult supervision at that point. And look where we are now. MTR platform. Can you see Mickey windows? So finally we get into Hong Kong Disneyland Metro. The Mickey Mouse everywhere, the windows, the handles and the seats, everything is Disney-fied. Can you see we clicked a lot of pictures?
We are in Disneyland in Hong Kong.
Hey, finally we reached. No sleep, confusion with buses, getting lost, but still we made it. Finally we are here.
So guys, we finally reached in Disneyland. I'm so happy to be here today.
यार कोई ये दिला दो मुझे, बहुत प्यारा लग रहा है बट इट्स सो एक्सपेंसिव.
गाइस ये मछली देख रहे हो कितनी क्यूट है ना. इसके ऊपर डोरेमोन है ना, ऊपर नीचे आ रहा है, देखो प्यारा सा. तो फाइनली गाइस वी आर इन एब्सोल्युटली डिज्नीलैंड.
So finally we got a tier 2 ticket today. तारक मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा देखा है आपने?
डिज्नीलैंड देखो, हांगकांग के डिज्नीलैंड में हूँ अभी और मुझे बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है. I'm so excited even though I haven't slept after flight and still I'm so fresh and so excited. Look at me and my eyes. I haven't slept.
Tier 2 tickets are little cheaper. Tier 1 is cheapest and Tier 3 is the most expensive. Disneyland uses a tier system depending on the day. On weekends like Saturdays, Sundays or during peak days, tickets prices go higher, usually Tier 3 because the crowd is much heavier. More demand, more people and higher prices. So, by the time we reached, the parade was almost finished. We just got a small glimpse of it, literally the ending. But it was nice to see a little bit only. The parade was all amazing. Before we start exploring Disneyland or going on any rides, we want to see the main castle. You know, the biggest castle, the heart of Disneyland. So let's go and check it out. Yeah. Honestly, it's beautiful, you know. Some places don't need selfies, just memories. So I think I honestly didn't take many pictures of myself here. The castle was so beautiful that I completely forgot about my own photos and all.
So guys, अभी जा रहे हैं हम एडवेंचर लैंड where we will do adventure.
यार अभी इतना ही चला, मुझे भूख लग रही है अब. I want something to eat but I have not carried anything except the small water bottle and now it's finished. The warning sign you may get wet because of water.
Okay, before our journey starts, here's some safety reminder. Please remain seated throughout the whole journey. Keep your elbow, your arm inside the boat, and please take care of young children, okay?
So we are going to explore jungle adventure. So let's see. We are together here.
Oh no, is he going to splash? Oh no. Are you ready? Yes! Get, brother! Get that! Get that! Get that! No, 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 no. Not this time! There's a big cobra. So please, don't put your head outside or else. Please, this is the campsite for the sun. I'm sorry. But we're leaving now. Don't be zebra. Do you know how to distinguish? On your left, there is the black with the white stripe. That is a female. And you see this one, white with the black stripe. This is a male zebra. Yeah, easy, right? And here, this is the African elephant. He's on the water. Oh, yeah. Are you okay? Stay on the local territory here. Yeah, actually shows nice and Here, we're now getting back. Thank you so much. Oh no! What's happening here?
Guys, one very important thing I want to tell you. Trust me, this is a real advice. Never ever wear heels here. Let's do a horse ride, horse swing. यार मैं नहीं चाहती कि जो मैंने गलती करा है वो आप भी करो. ऑलवेज वेयर कंफर्टेबल शूज़, कंफर्टेबल स्लीपर्स और प्रॉपर वॉकिंग शूज़ बिकॉज यू विल हैव टू वॉक अ लॉट. Second thing, please carry your own food and snacks. Food inside Disneyland is very expensive, and if you are vegetarian, it's honestly very difficult to find good food. You will mostly survive on bakery items or ice creams, and that's not enough for the whole day, right? The good thing, they do allow food inside, so carry your own snacks, fruits, water bottles and everything. If you remember just these things, your Disneyland experience will be much better than mine. So this is the Frozen Land we have entered, and this is the ride we are gonna do now. यार ये 1-2 मिनट की राइड कितनी डेंजरस है. So honestly, Disneyland is especially amazing for children, couples and anyone who enjoys fantasy and storytelling. But that doesn't mean others cannot enjoy it. If you love rides, parades, shows and just the magical atmosphere, you will have a really good time here. The tickets usually costs around 8,000 to 9,000 rupees depending on the day and the crowd.
So now we are going and we have to rate 10 out of
10 out of 10 we have to do.
Let's go for it.
For that price, you can easily enjoy the entire day, rides, parades, shows and different themed lands. Overall, it's really good place to explore. If you plan it well and come on less crowded day, it's totally worth the experience. Now we have entered the Toy Story Land at Disneyland, and yes guys, we are going to try RC Racer, which is roller coaster. I'll show you this one also. We are heading to RC Racer in Storybook Land. I have heard this one is super fun. This goes really fast and it's going to be crazy ride. Let's see how it goes. From the moment you enter Storybook Land, the rides here are full of energy and the RC Racer is definitely one of the highlights. This is the roller coaster. Everybody tries this. You must try this. I don't know, I'm starting to get a little scared. Honestly, for a moment I thought about going back, but then I told myself I really have to challenge myself. I'm already here, I can do this. I stood in the line for 1.5 hours just to ride for 1 to 2 minutes. I cannot go back, so let's do it, guys. Yes.
Guys, we are going for RC Racer.
Totally worth the 1.5 hour wait every second of. Don't remember when did I scream this hard last time. One of the best rides, exotic and intense. Hello little baby, how are you? In Toy Story Land there are so many rides for kids, for adults, so many options. But honestly it's impossible to try all of them in just one day, right? So we decided to focus on the most thrilling and interesting rides, the ones that gave us the best value for what we paid. We skipped the smaller rides and just went for the one that were really exciting, so we didn't waste any time here. Here I'm going to show you break dance, which include cup plate ride. Can you see? Amusement. So lovely, isn't it? Now guys, we are going to enter the small world, but I don't know how much time it's going to take because it's still bright. But पता नहीं यहाँ से निकलने के बाद अंधेरा भी हो सकता है. So let's see. One thing I noticed, everybody could enjoy the rides. It's not like children are not allowed anywhere. The only restrictions are for the people with health issues or pregnant ladies. Otherwise, almost everyone can try the rides. I'll tell you, I even saw a man carrying his little boy, maybe he could be 5 or 6 years old, on a roller coaster, and he was having a blast, even shouting with the excitement. If I talk about laptop, phones are allowed too, so you can make videos, but of course when the ride is moving it's really tricky to hold your phone safely. If you drop it, it's on you only. Overall it was amazing to see that the park lets everyone enjoy the rides from kids to adults. Hey, let's talk about Small World. It's like a tiny tour of the whole world in one ride. They have recreated South Asia, North Asia, and so many other places, showing how people live, their culture, and how they interact. Every little section they have these small dolls dressed in a traditional costume, dancing and performing, representing different religions and tradition from around the world. It's amazing how they have taken such a small details, music, costume, movement, and turned it into a magical ride that really gives you a sense of the world's diversity. It's like gentle journey from one culture to another, and it really makes you appreciate how connected we all are, even in miniature form. So that's its Small World, so colorful, so detailed, and honestly a little magical, But now it's time to move on and try some more exciting rides, ones that are a little faster, a little crazier, and full of adrenaline. Let's go see what adventures the rest of Disneyland has in store for us. Bye bye, Small World.